So in today's session, we are going to discuss about view rules, guys. Sorry, first of all, we'll be discussing views. For discussing the views, we'll be discussing about view rules. Okay, guys, we created a table. We created a table called demo incident table. From the table, we designed the form. From the table, we designed the form. So similarly, every form is designed from the table. Incident form is designed from the incident table. Problem form is designed from the problem table. Change form is designed from the change table. User form is designed from the user table. Group form is designed from the group table. Knowledge form is designed from the knowledge table. So every form is designed from the table. Like demo incident form is designed from the demo table. Every form is designed from the tables only. Clear, right? Okay. So we created a table. From the table, we designed the form. Guys, I'm telling you, one form can have multiple views. One form can have multiple views. We created a demo incident form, right? Same form, you can see it in multiple views. Same form, you can see it in multiple views. Okay. Okay, fine. Same form, you can see it in multiple views. Once the instance is back, I can actually show you better. Hmm? Yeah, it is in the hibernation mode. Once it is back, you can actually, I can show you better. Now it is back. Okay. Okay. So you go to the tables. In the tables, under system definitions in the tables, we created a table called demo incident table. So this is the table that we create. Okay. So here, this is the form that we designed. If you click on show form, it will actually open the form. So this is the form that we designed. Okay. So guys, step by step, under system definition, we go to the tables. In the tables, we created a table called demo incident table. So from the table, we designed this form. Clear, right? Okay. Guys, one form can have multiple views. One form can have multiple views. I will show you. I will show you. I am going to open the table here. So in the table, I'm going to click on design form here. Design form here. Okay. So in the design form, you can see default view. So we created all these fields in the default view, guys. We created all these fields in the default view. I am going to create a new view here. I am going to create a new view called our view. I am going to create a new view called Power View here. Okay. Or I am just creating star view. Star view. In the star view, I want to see the form in single column. Okay, this is called star view. In the star view, I am showing all the fields in the single column. Okay. Again, go back to default view here again. This is the default view. I am actually creating a new view called customer view. I am creating a new view called customer view. In this view, I don't want to show impact, urgency, and priority. Okay. I don't want to show system information section in this particular view. Okay. So total how many views here? Default view, customer view, star view. I am actually creating one more view called consumer view. I am also creating one more view called consumer view. Before going to this one, I am just moving back to default view. From this, I am actually creating a view called consumer view. Consumer view. In the consumer view, I don't want to show category, subcategory fields. I don't want to show impact, urgency, priority fields. I don't want to show resolution information. I don't want to show system information. So total, how many views on this form, guys? Total 4 views. Default view, customer view, consumer view, star view. Okay. Now I am again moving back to default view here again. I am going to create another view called manager view. Manager view. So in the manager view, I want to see only single column. I don't want to see any section on the form. This is actually called manager view. So total, how many views on the form, guys? Default view, manager view, customer view, star view, consumer view. Total 5 views. Okay. Okay, fine. So in the demo incident form, we have total 5 views. In the demo incident form, we have total how many views? 5 views. Okay. So we have total how many views? 5 views. What are those? Default view, manager view, customer view, consumer view, star view. How exactly that will look like and all, I will show you on the form. This is the form, right? Okay. Guys, you have to create the record. System ID is -1, right? You have to create the record. Only once you create the record, only you can see the views, guys. So I am just saving this one. The -1 will become system ID. Once system ID is generated, you can see those views here. You can see view, consumer view, customer view, manager view, star view. So in the star view, you will see everything in the single column. See here, view is star view. Okay. Guys, to see the views, you must create the record. System ID should not be -1. Manager view. So manager view, in the manager view, all are showing in single column, but there is no section visible here. Is there any section visible? No section is visible. So consumer view. In the consumer view, there is no section available. In the consumer view, there is no impact urgency priority fields available. Okay, in the consumer view, there is no impact urgency priority fields are available. Okay. Now we are in the default view. Customer view. In the customer view, you can see here impact urgency priority are not available. We'll go to the consumer view. So in the consumer view, there is no impact, no category, subcategory, no impact urgency priority here. As well as if you go to the sections, in the sections, no system information, no resolution information section available. So guys, in the farm, we can have multiple views, guys. Why do we need these views actually? Why do we need these people? Why do we need these views? Guys, for Japan people, I want to show it in one view. For America people, I want to show it in one view. For China people, I want to show it in one view. Okay. For different people, I want to show it in different views, guys. Guys, if you see, now you have how many views here? We have default view, customer view, consumer view, manager view, star view. Okay. Okay. Guys, remember, I am just double clicking on this one. You can see this is the table label. This is the table name. This is the field label, field name. Remember, this label is for employees purpose. This name is for developers purpose. This label is for employees purpose. This name is for developers purpose. This label is for employees purpose. This name is for developers purpose. I told you in the beginning. Do you remember that? I told you in the beginning. Name is for developers purpose. Label is for employees purpose. Number is a label. Name is a number is a label. U underscore number is a name. Label is for employees purpose. Name is for developers purpose. Developers use always names. Similarly, view label is different. View name is different. This is view name. This is view name. You can see here star underscore view. There is no underscore here. *_view. Let me just change it to consumer view. You can see consumer_view. There is no underscore here. This is label. This is for employees purpose. This is name. Name is for developers purpose. Okay. See guys, like you have table label, table name, field label, field name, view label, view name. Okay. View label is for employees purpose. View name is for developers purpose. Okay. Clear, right? Till this point, everybody is clear or not? Okay. Guys, remember, if you want to see the views, you go to the application navigator, just to go to views. Under system UI, you go to views here. Okay. So here, just use the settings icon, add tables here. Is there any table concept? Okay. Okay. Manager view, consumer view, customer view, star view. And if you want a default view, you can use default view. Okay. So here, this title is a label, guys. This is a name. We developer use manager_view. We developer use consumer_view. We developer use customer_view. We developer use star_view. This is for employees purpose. This is for developers purpose. Developers always use names. Developers always use names. Okay. That is fine. Now what I am doing is, now I have created the views, right? How exactly the views are looking and all you are able to see here. You must create the record, guys, to see the views. That is the point that you have to remember. Right? Click on this hamburger menu. This is consumer view, customer view, default view, manager view, star view. Okay. Okay. Guys, for America people, I want to show this in star view. For America people, I want to show this in star view. Okay. In that case, what we have to do is we have to write the view rule, guys. We have to write the view rule. So you can see under system UI, you are able to see view rules here. Okay. Guys, to understand the view rules, you need to understand the script, guys. You need to understand the script. Okay. Guys, scripting I haven't started, right? Then how do you understand? Guys, I will explain view rule concept now. I will also explain view rule concept in coming sessions as well. I will explain view rules concept now. I will also explain view rules concept in coming sessions as well. Okay. For America users, I want to show it in star view. For China users, I want to show it in customer view. For Japan people, I want to show it in consumer view. So likewise, for different country people, I want to show it in different views. How do we understand if a person is from America? How do we understand if a person is from Japan? If you go to the users here, if you go to the users under user administration, there is a field called location field. Okay, there is a field called location field. So if that is not appearing on the list, you add location to from left side to right side. If you are not able to see location field, so you search for location here. You move it from left side to right side. Okay, location field. So let us say you can see George belongs to America. Okay, George belongs to America. Let me add him to Japan. I'm adding this guy to Japan. I'm adding Harshita to Japan. So Rajesh belongs to China. Rajesh belongs to China. Priyanka belongs to Mongolia, Manchester. United Kingdom. Okay, getting my point, right? Okay, I am going to write a view rule here. I am using script here. So table name will be demo incident table here. I have to mention demo incident table here. Guys, this demo incident is a label. U underscore demo underscore incident is a table name. Okay. Okay. Guys, what I am doing is whoever has logged in. Let us say if Priyanka has logged in, Priyanka's location I will take first. How will I take? VS dot get user dot get record dot get display value location. I'm taking the logged in person location, guys. Okay. I'm taking in a variable location is equal to. Okay. Location if else if else if okay if location is equal to okay is equal to United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Okay. Then I will answer is equal to this is the view name, guys. I am actually keeping it in stars stars view. If location is equal to okay America or China. If location is equal to China, answer is equal to okay. mm, if the location is equal to China, show it in the customer view. This is the view name. If location is equal to Japan. Okay, consumer view. I want to keep it. I want to keep it in consumer view. This is the view name. Okay. The location is America. Okay. Answer is equal to the manager view. Okay. So if the current logged in user doesn't belongs to any of these locations, I am just keeping answer is equal to default view. Default view. Okay. I've created a view rule, guys. What I am doing in the view rule, I am taking logged in person location. Logged in person location I am taking. That person belongs to UK, show it in stars view. If that person belongs to China, show it in customer support view. If the person belongs to Japan, show it in consumer view. If the person belongs to America, show it in manager view. If the current logged in user doesn't belong to any of these locations, show it in default view. Now what I'm doing is I am going to open Harshita user account. Harshita belongs to Japan, right? Harshita belongs to Japan, right? If it is Japan, which view? Japan means consumer view. I am going to add demo incident role here. View underscore demo underscore incident user role. Okay, I am going to impersonate as, let me duplicate this one. I am going to impersonate as Harshita. Okay, fine. Now, when she opens the form, as she belongs to Japan, it should show in consumer view. Now the form is showing in the consumer view. Okay, I am going to end the impersonation. I am going to take another user, Rajesh. Rajesh belongs to China. China, right? I am going to give demo incident user role here. Okay, I am going to impersonate as Rajesh now. Okay, let me just refresh this one. Rajesh belongs to China, right? Now it is showing it in customer view. Now it is showing in the customer view. As the person belongs to China, it should show in the customer view. So you can see I wrote the logic here. The current logged in user, this line will take current logged in user location, guys. This line will take current logged in user location. If the location is UK, show it in the stars view. If the location is China, show it in the customer view. If the location is Japan, show it in the consumer view. If the location is America, show it in manager view. If the location doesn't belong to any of the above locations, show it in default view. Okay, you are clear, right? So that is how you will create the view rules. Based on the view rules, views will be shown. Remember, guys, here I have always used the view names, not view labels here. I have always used the view names. Okay. So till this point, everybody is clear or not, guys? Till this point, everybody is clear or not? Okay. Okay. Fine. Guys, I am going to show you some. I am going to show you some shortcuts, guys. Let me end the impersonation here. Okay. I am going to show you some shortcuts. Let me deactivate the view rule. I am deactivating the view rule here. Okay. I am going to refresh this one. Now it is showing in the default view. Okay. This is in the default view, guys. Fine. Guys, here, when I double click on this one, I am able to see technical names here. Table label, table name. Field label, field name. Okay. So I'm able to see the technical names. How am I able to see the technical names on the form here? Guys, in the browser, you have to type SNUtils for Chrome. You have to type SNUtils for Chrome. Just use SNUtils tools for ServiceNow. Click on this one. So here you will be able to see add extension option. Guys, you can see this option only on the main browser. In the incognito window, you can't see this option. In the incognito window, you can't add this extension, guys. Only in the main browser, you can add this extension. You will be able to see add Chrome option. Once you add Chrome option, you will be able to see remove from Chrome option. So once you have actually added this extension, you will be able to see link something like this one. On your browser, you will be able to see SNUtils here. Okay, you are able to see this SNUtils extension on your browser. Okay, you will be able to see SNUtils on your browser. So once you have that on your browser, if you double click on the form, you will be able to see the technical names on the form. You will be able to see technical names on the form, guys. Okay. So this is the shortcut. So you have to add this SNUtils extension to your browser. Only then you can use this shortcut, guys. When you double click on this one, you can see the technical names on the form. Okay. Clear, right? So how to add the extension to your browser and all, everybody is clear or not? You have to go to a browser. Okay. Now I will unmute everyone so that you can ask your questions.
Uday, Shami here.
Yeah, Shami.
See, when we are creating a view, we are particularly designing it as per the customer's requirement, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, so basically, you know, it's a kind of creating another form, if I'm not wrong. You're just editing the existing form and creating another form so that you can present it to the other customer. Is it correct? Is
Yes.
is uh
Table is same. Table is
Table
same.
is same? Correct, correct. On the
Yes.
same table, you have different forms with respect to the client requirement, right?
Yes.
Okay, got that.
You guys are clear, right? Views and view rules concept. Hmm? For understanding the view rules concept, we need a little bit of scripting knowledge. That scripting and all, I'll be explaining one more time in coming session. Okay. So till this point, everybody is clear, right?
Yes, Uday.
Harshita, Sirisha, do you have any questions?